Buying Nano with GBP on Gardarian is easy and secure. Head to our homepage and select Nano from the cryptocurrencies list. Choose your preferred fiat currency and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your purchase. Gardarian has a service fee and bank fee. One may vary depending on the payment method you choose. For each transaction, we provide fully transparent exchange details. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. After you read the terms of service, fill in your wallet address and confirm that you have full access to it. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Gardarian will never bother you with a call. Enter the SMS code. Then you need to go through the KYC process. Choose your document type and take a photo of it. After submitting your ID, you are asked to go through face verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. Finally, you'll need to perform the bank transfer. Do carefully check all the details before processing the payment. Please note, payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. As soon as we receive your payment, Nano will be sent to your wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer support.